Today we are going to be grilling our own food here in the jungle and building ourselves a little shelter, all just for fun, to have fun with the kids. There is this gigantic root coming out of this big tree, and this will serve for our wall for our shelter. So let's go find the materials for the shelter. We need to clean the campsite like this, cut all these weeds away so we have a nice clean campsite.
Found these wild fruits laying on the ground and I'm going to try them. Tastes like normal.
Good.
Mm-hmm. Well, it actually looks quite weird inside. Has zero flavor to it.
Leaves for our shelter. These are wild banana leaves that we're going to use for the shelter. Leaves for our camp.
Everywhere.
Put the leaves on the roof for our little shelter. Palm leaves, and over here we have some banana leaves. And now for the floor, we're going to lay out these wild banana leaves. Just like this. A nice leaf floor. So no ants sting the children. Look, you can go sit down, but wait. Let me finish it. Is that all? Are there more? Any that are whole? Right here. Ooh, look at the kids there. They love it. They're laying on the floor. Woohoo. Up in the trees, you can find fine, dry pieces of firewood, just like this, little sticks that are dry, just like this here. And this is what we use for starting fires. Here, there's some more. This is what we're going to use for starting the fire. And now that our hut is finished, there's the roof, and there are the kids laying on the floor. It's time for us to make the fire. There is all our wood that we got from the woods to start our fire to make lunch. The children are playing. High five. Woo, Yoli, high five for Mama. We've got our fire started. Now let's go get the place ready for cooking. Here we have a chicken that we brought along with us, and we're going to grill it. Gonna poke these 2 sticks right through the chicken. Okay, well, let's just see what happens. All right, we also have some plantains that we're going to put right here at the edge of the fire so they could slowly cook and we can eat that with our chicken. Now, we need more firewood. We also have some potatoes sliced, and we're going to cook those too by just putting them right here at the edge of the fire so they have mild heat and they could slowly cook. Everything has salt on it already. We did that at home. And here we have our food cooking. It's going to be done soon. Who's hungry? Yep, we're all hungry. Oh, there's a plantain right here that's already done. Ow, it's hot. Get that out of the fire before it burns. Oh, look, the chicken's ready. Who wants? The innards. Ah, bleh. That was hot. Potatoes. Who wants meat?
I do. I want meat. Oh, done.
Ugh. Smoke. Bagel. Okay.
How hot is it?
Hey, yo, what's
Go,
You want Woo! Here. Mm. Look at this. For the baby, I'm gonna take a big bite. And here is our grilled chicken. There is the chicken. Here are the potatoes. They're done too. And the plantains. They're also nicely grilled. And here. So let's have this meal. Who's hungry? All right, let me tear apart the chicken. Ow, it's still very hot. For Daddy? Whoa. That's a big piece, right? But there's plenty for everybody. This one's for me. Is it? It's so
I was
hot.
taking like
Here, we're gonna cut it up. There.
that's my piece.
Where's the cola? That's what
Yeah.
Crocodile, no, no choking.
Is the video going?
No, no, you don't.
What?
Hmm?
Bye-bye.
No.
Bye-bye. Ooh,
Bye
ooh.
bye. Hey, Rican, Yoli.
The smoke go away. We found the perfect spot for us to wash our hands right here in the roots of the big tree. It collected some water. Here, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your face. All right, the baby's all clean. Now you wash your hands. We're here by this massive tree, and there's the vine for swinging on. Ugh. Let's see if I still can climb big vines. Ooh, it's huge. Oh, whoa. And here I am at a beautiful spot just to lay down and relax. On the same tree that we built our shelter, it has these interesting looking rooms that if you were running away from a wild animal, you could come hide in here and then it would eat you. Look, these big rooms inside where the roots closed up right here. Get into one of these rooms and see how it is in here. Here I am. Woo, wow, look. Huge. I can sit down. There's something in here. Was nothing, just a roach.
Let's come back to Mama.
Oh, it's nice and all right, go.
I'm gonna go looking. I hit a mirror. I gotta finish it.
There, hold on.
So do you like this better than this? I like this better than this. Yeah, jump in over here.
Jump
Okay,
in.
go.
Okay.
This is bamboo rainbow.
Okay, here. Take one. And then we want the vines up. Okay, swing out, swing, and then land. Okay. Ready? Hold higher.